I'm Gary Mahalik. Chicken, love fried chicken, barbecue chicken. Won't you send it down the line? Well, everybody knows about chicken. Chicken's a popular word. You can call it what you want, get in the pot. A chicken ain't nothing but a bird. Well, it may not be tops in your taste buds, bound to be second or third. Be that as it may, I'm telling y'all today, well, a chicken ain't nothing but a bird. Now you can roast it, boil it, spoil it, cook it in a pan or a pot. Eat it with potatoes, rice or tomatoes. Chicken's still what you got. Boy, it was a dish for old Caesar, also Henry the Third. Columbus was smart when he said what he said. He said the chicken ain't nothing but a bird. Some folks call it a fowl, but that's not the story I heard. Be that as it may, I'm telling you all today, well, a chicken ain't nothing but a bird. Now you can roast it, boil it, spoil it, cook it in a pan or a pot. Eat it with potatoes, rice or tomatoes. Chicken is still what you got, boy. It was a dish for old Caesar and also Henry the Third. Colonel Sanders has the word. I saw him the other day. You know what he said? A chicken ain't nothing but a bird. Well, now, chicken, love fried chicken, barbecue chicken. Won't you send it down the line?